Hey guys, welcome to the Solution Architect channel, and in this video we'll talk about lists in HTML, how to use it, what it's all about, and also then I will go into a demo and show you how to program these lists on your HTML page. So what is a list in HTML? It is information or it's data that you want to display on your web page. There's three types of lists that you get. You get an ordered list, and it's items in a specific order, and you will have like a number or A, B, C ordered to that specific list. You also have an unordered list, which you don't have that number next to it, and then you'll have a description list as well, and I'll show you some examples. So the unordered list is using a UL tag. The list itself is using an LI tag, and you can see the example right here where I've got dog, cat, chicken. It's the HTML code, and the output will look like this. An ordered list is a little bit different. You specify the tag as OL. The list is exactly the same, LI, and the way you put it into HTML code is OL, and you've got also your list items there, and your output will have a 1, 2, and 3 there. You can have a type in here which is either a numeric or an alphanumeric. If you put A, it will put A, B, C in there. Then you've got your description list, and it will look like this. It's called DL tag, and then you have your list that starts with DT, which is the item name. For example, I've got here K9, which is a dog, and we've got feline, which is a cat, and we've got galine, which is a chicken. So the DD is your description itself. So if you want to have an item name, you have an item name, which is K9, and you have your description, which is dog. Okay, so go and open up your Visual Studio Code, and then go to the index.html file that we created last time. So we're just gonna quickly run through the lists, and I'm gonna just delete this middle column, press enter, make some space there, and I'm just gonna copy and paste, or let's write the first one, which is our unordered list. We click on that, close it, and then open up a list, dog, not dig, and copy and paste that just over cat and chicken. And we run this, reveal in File Explorer, double click, and you'll see there is dog, cat, and chicken inside there. Okay, so now we have the unordered list. We've done that, so let's change this to OL, which is our ordered list. And let's just run this. Right click, reveal, double click on HTML. And you can see the difference. There's now 1, 2, and 3 next to it. Go back to our code, and what you can do here, you can also change the type. You'll see it comes down there with 1 or an A or a lowercase a or AI, which is your Roman numeric numbers, but we're just going to change this to A and quickly view this, and you'll see it's ABC, and that's your just want to close a few of that, and that is your ordered list. And the last one is our description list. I'm just going to copy and paste this over just to make it very quickly and finish off this video so we can jump into the next video. Just run this, and you can see that you've got your item name and your description, You can go and style it or whatever, but this is just a very quick video introduction to lists. So that is a list for you guys, and in the next video we'll talk about tables, and then the one after that we'll talk about hyperlinks. And hyperlinks is quite important for you to be able to navigate between different pages. So we'll create multiple pages. I'll show you how to do that. And if you follow this, eventually you'll get to where you can set up a complete, maybe a static website, and that's where I want to get to. Thank you very much for watching. And if you didn't subscribe yet, please do that and click the like button. And please share if you like my content. Thank you very much for all the loyal subscribers. You rock. Thank you. See you next time.